List begins with Xander Leavell. What an awesome looking hat. Look at that belt buckle he's got too. Xander turning the big number 3. He's in Sheldon.
Absolutely love that picture. Let's see, turning 6 years old this weekend, we got Webb City native Kaiser Clark. Happy birthday, Kaiser.
Hashtag dingers right there. The kid can rake. Cash Carlinger celebrating his 8th birthday. Warmer temps ahead. I love that picture, Cash. Happy birthday in Pittsburgh.
All right. Riot Jackson Benjamin. That's a cool name. Turning 8 years old this year. What a fun pick. Riot is in Galena.
Run out to Girard. That's where we find Ranson Bourne celebrating his 14th birthday. Ranson, have a wonderful day.
Olivia Beard celebrating birthday number 17 this year. What a pretty pick there of Olivia in Columbus.
And in Edna, Shavela Yoakum. Beautiful name right there. Happy birthday to Shavela. And she celebrates 18.
Beautiful name for a beautiful girl. Haley Dryling is 18 years old. I bet we got some senior picks here. Haley is celebrating in Oswego.
Big weekend for Kobe Burchett as he celebrates his 18th birthday in Fort Scott. You may look at that lanyard right there, wonder what's on the bottom of it. Well, it's going to be a state wrestling medal because he won the title for Fort Scott in his weight class last weekend. Happy birthday, Kobe, and congratulations.
All right. Congratulations, Kobe. Happy birthday. And let's see, we've got KOM sports photographer Zach Brown's very own sister, Maggie. That's a cool picture there. Maggie Brown is 18 in Carl Junction.
Caitlin McNeil cruising in her convertible Camaro right there. That's a real cool picture, Caitlin. She celebrates 25 in Miami.
Let the hair fly. I like it. All right, Tanya Raymond is celebrating birthday number 38 this year. Great picture there, Tanya, in Altoona.
Got a milestone for Crystal Scott. A happy 40th birthday to Miss Crystal. She is in Oswego.
Doesn't look a day over 29. Happy birthday, Crystal. Matthew Wall in Minden Mines, turning 43 years old this year. Happy birthday, Matthew.
Special shout out to someone who is on the front lines during the pandemic. She works in the emergency room at Wilson Medical Center in Neodesha. It's Lisa Chisholm, and a happy birthday to Lisa as well. She turns 54 and is in Benedict.
Happy birthday, Lisa. And happy birthday going out to Krista Crowder, who's celebrating in Carl Junction. Lovely picture there of Krista.
Lisa Sandberg, a happy birthday to Lisa. She will party on in Columbus.
And we have belated birthday wishes going out to Miss Gail Boatman. I have a little story I'd like to share you about Gail. Gail grew up on a homestead farm in Yuma, Colorado. She survived the Spanish flu, Dust Bowl days, the Great Depression, and now the coronavirus. To stay physically fit, Miss Boatman walks and does exercises every day. This year, she is celebrating birthday number 107.
Happy birthday, Miss Boatman. Eric James King, a birthday wish for you in Chanute. Nolan Eichhorn, celebrating 49 in Altamont. And Bill Dobrock, a happy birthday to Bill in the Knack.
All right, Pat White celebrating a birthday in Oswego, Kansas. And belated birthday wishes going to Wilma Stewart in Pittsburgh.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this 5th of March. I know some of you may be celebrating on the 6th of March as well, so have a marvelous, marvelous weekend. That's where you can send your birthdays into at birthdays with plural. Make sure it's got an S, birthdays, at komtv.com, or you can submit them through our website, komnewsnow.com/birthdays. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to komnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Light rain.